Hi guys, I hope you're doing well and that you're excited for this video. So in this video coming up, I will be sharing some 10 valuable tips for you, the parents, to help improve your child's reading comprehension skills. Reading with comprehension is a crucial skill that all children need to develop in order to succeed academically and in life. By implementing these steps, parents can play a key role in supporting their child's reading journey. From creating a reading routine to asking questions about the text, these tips cover a range of strategies that can make a significant impact on your child's reading abilities. So watch this video to learn more about how you can foster a love for reading and enhance your child's comprehension skills. So, here we go. Tip number 1. Encourage your child to read regularly. The more they practice, the better they'll get. Let's go on to tip number 2. I just want to go on to our slide here. There we go. Tip number 2. Ask questions about the text before, during, and after reading. This helps your child engage with it. Tip number 3. Let me just go onto the slide. There we go. Tip number 3. Help your child make connections between what they're reading and their own experiences. This will help them better understand the text. Before we go on, let's just move the slide. There we go. Tip number 4. Teach your child strategies for figuring out the meaning of unfamiliar words. This is actually very important. You have to practice that. Tip number 5. Are you ready for this one? Tip number 5. Encourage your child to summarize what they've read in their own words. This will help them with retention. Let's go on to our next slide to see the next tip. I hope you are ready. Here we go. Tip number 6. Have your child visualize what they're reading. This can help with comprehension and make the material more interesting. Here we go to the next one. I hope you're ready for this one. Tip number 7. Discuss the main idea and key details of the text with your child. Let's practice this. Very important. Here we go to the next one. Tip number 8. Encourage your child to ask questions about the text. This fosters critical thinking skills. Almost done. Almost done. Here we go on to the next one. Tip number 9. Help your child make predictions about what will happen next in the story. Very important. And then the last one, number 10. Here we go. Praise your child's efforts and progress. Positive reinforcement goes a long way. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and to click on the link in the description box to get access to our free storytelling session. Can't wait to meet you. Until next time, bye bye.